Have you ever wondered how electric cars are made? A car that runs without a single drop of gasoline, silent yet powerful, gliding effortlessly down the highway. But beneath its futuristic exterior lies a tale of advanced robotics, craftsmanship, and engineering brilliance. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to uncover the magic behind their creation. Stage 1. Building the skeleton, the frame. Every car, electric or otherwise, begins with its bones. For electric cars, this skeleton is usually made from lightweight aluminum. Why aluminum, you ask? It's simple. This material is strong enough to protect the driver while being light enough to boost energy efficiency and performance. Picture it as the sturdy but featherweight bones of a bird built for both strength and speed. Now, imagine an assembly line buzzing with energy. Robotic arms, sleek and agile, move with laser-like precision, welding and assembling sections of the aluminum frame. These robots, often from companies like ABB, use sub-assembly techniques, meaning they craft smaller components separately before fitting them into the larger structure. Stage 2. Preparing for the perfect paint job. Before a single drop of paint touches the car, it undergoes an intense preparation phase. Think of this as the equivalent of washing and priming a canvas before starting a masterpiece. Each inch of the frame is meticulously inspected by human eyes and hands. Teams of professionals dressed in spotless suits clean the surface of the frame to ensure no dust, scratches, or imperfections ruin the painting process. Why such care? Because even a tiny particle can create a ripple effect, leading to defects in the final paint. It's like smudging an artist's painting just before it dries. A tiny mistake can ruin hours of work. Stage 3. The painting process. Once prepped, the car enters the painting stage where it begins to take on its identity. The first step is applying a sealant, which involves dipping the frame into massive tanks of special coatings. Robotic arms then carefully dry the sealant using vacuum technology, ensuring the surface is flawless. This stage lays the groundwork for the final color. Next comes the actual painting. Here's an interesting tidbit. Brighter colors like red and yellow are more time-consuming to apply because they require special layers for a perfect finish. On the other hand, white is faster to apply and remains one of the most popular colors globally. Did you know that over 38% of cars worldwide are painted white? The painted frame is then inspected manually, yet again by professionals. Only when it passes the stringent quality check does it move to the next stage. By this point, the car is no longer just a skeleton. It's starting to look like the sleek, futuristic machine it's meant to be. Stage 4. The heart of the car, electric motor testing. Now let's talk about the electric motor, the beating heart of every electric car. This component is what makes the car go, transforming electrical energy from the battery into mechanical energy that powers the wheels. Without it, the car is just a beautiful sculpture. The motor is tested under rigorous conditions where it's pushed to its limits by running at full RPM. Stage 5. Installing electronics. This is where humans truly shine. Unlike the robotic precision of earlier stages, installing electronics requires flexibility and finesse that only humans can provide. Stage 6. Powertrain and battery pack integration. Next comes the integration of the powertrain and battery pack. If the motor is the heart, think of the powertrain as the nervous system linking all of the car's functions together. Stage 7. The marriage and final testing. Finally, we arrive at what manufacturers call the marriage. This is when the skeleton, electronics, and powertrain come together to form a complete vehicle. The car is nearly ready, but before it rolls off the assembly line, it undergoes one last round of testing. Engineers focus on aspects like throttle response, braking, and suspension. They test the car on simulated road conditions to ensure it provides a smooth and safe driving experience. Now that you've seen how electric cars come to life, which stage do you think is the most challenging? Could it be the delicate painting process or the rigorous motor testing? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of technology.